Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down car maintenance tips to keep your ride running smoothly. Today, we're diving into episode 436. What happens if you put too much engine oil in your car? You might think a little extra oil is harmless, but trust me, it's a recipe for trouble. Let's get straight into it. First off, why does overfilling matter? Your car's engine is finely tuned, and too much oil can lead to serious issues. When the oil level is too high, the crankshaft starts churning it up, creating foam. This foamy oil doesn't lubricate as well, which can cause increased friction, overheating, and even damage to vital components like bearings and seals. In the worst cases, it might lead to oil leaks or seal failures, potentially costing you a fortune in repairs. So, how do you know if you've got too much oil? Keep an eye out for warning signs. You might notice blue or white smoke billowing from your exhaust, which indicates oil is burning off. Other symptoms include oil leaks under your car, unusual engine noises, or even reduced fuel efficiency. If you're experiencing any of these, it's time to check your oil level right away. Grab your dipstick. Park on a level surface, let the engine cool, and wipe it clean before checking. If the oil is above the full mark, you've got a problem. Don't panic. Fixing it is straightforward. You'll need to drain the excess oil. If you're handy, do it yourself by removing the drain plug and letting out just enough, or take it to a mechanic for a professional oil change. Remember, always use the oil type recommended in your owner's manual. In summary, overfilling oil might seem minor, but it can lead to big headaches. Always check your levels regularly and follow proper procedures to avoid these pitfalls. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you've ever dealt with this issue. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.